official Trump. All right, we're ranked number 30, market cap of $5.36 billion. Volume, let's see here, volume last 24 hours, 2.08 billion. That's a lot. It's a lot of volume. Wow, it's down 14%, but that's still a lot of volume. You had an all-time high up here, right around, I think it was $77. Let's go down through here on the right, or on the left, I apologize. 75.35. It's down 64.5%. All-time low 624 is what it launched at. All right, I think a lot of people got stuck up top here, up at the top. You have a lot of volume up here. If I come over here to my chart, let's take a look at the volume. We can see how many, what we got up there. Right now we have a breakdown of this wedge actually. Looking for a target probably down around 22 bucks. As soon as this loads back up, I apologize, but I just put this over Discord. We're taking a short on this. You take the width of the wedge, and that gives you your target here. But if we come out on a daily, all right, take a look at this thing. Let's put the volume on here and see. All right, right up here. Let's pull this up. Let's pull it down so we can see right up top here. Buyers 1.1 million, sells 894,000. Yeah, I mean, you got quite a few buyers still stuck up in this range, right? I mean, you got the greens heavier than the red selling. Then you got a lot down towards here also. A lot of people got down in here in the 20s too. A lot of volume down there. 7.4 million buyers, 6.8 million sellers. It's 14 million. Yeah, a lot of support, I guess, down in this range, right? Especially down here around 25 bucks. Right down around that range. But it looks like I said, we're taking a short down here. The daily RSI on this thing. Let's look at the relative strength index and see if it's pushing down or up here. As soon as it loads up here, I apologize. I came out to my area, out in my garage here, do these videos. Maybe we don't have a daily on it yet. 12-hour. Yeah, we don't have a daily yet. 12 hours at a 19.18. It's bullish. Not real bullish, kind of going sideways down there. The 8-hour coming down, 31 and a 35. And your 4-hour also bearish at a 10 and an 18. All right, I think you can always get panic selling in here also. That's what happens when a lot of people get stuck up top. They'll take a loss to just to keep from losing more. So we're watching this here. If you want to join up on our Discord, it's a level 3 membership over there. It's only $15. This trade right here would pay for it. I'm looking at possible 10x on this. I did a 30x on Trump when it first came out. Overnight, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. A 30x. I mean, this thing went straight. When it first came out, and look at this, went straight up. That's a 4-hour candle right here. Then you have this big gap that they always get filled, man. These, if I put on my fair value gaps, these were filled. All right, that's on that. Let's put it on like a 12-hour. All right, it just might have the ones that are open now. But these were definitely, you got a gap from here to here on the 12-hour. On the 4-hour, these gaps were a lot bigger. Look at this, you had a gap from here the whole way up to here, a fair value gap. That's what you got to watch when you're buying. Watch for them big gaps, because they always come back and fill them, especially one this big. I mean, that's a big fair value gap right there, right? I mean, this thing had shot up. Then you had another one up here, right here. You see this wick over to this wick right up there. You had another big fair value gap. So you had some big gaps there as this thing went up, which is scary. You always want to pay attention to that stuff. Stuff that goes, I heard this a long time ago. Stuff that goes straight up comes straight back down. I'm not saying this thing's dead or no, it's not going to go back up. You can count, a correction right here. You got 5 waves. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave down here. Now, has it finished that 5th wave? Let's take a look here. You got a wick down here, back to the top. Looks like it could head down to $19 yet. That'd be your 5th wave target if it does the whole 5th wave here. It's dragging it out quite a bit. It's trying to hold up. Like I said, we have a target down here towards 22, so 19 would drag it down there. That would definitely put some panic out there, right? That the thing is gonna crash lower. So we'll keep an eye on that, but go check out that level 3. There's also a link for the site we use for leverage trading in there called Bitternix. Great site. A lot of people starting to sign up over there. We've had a bunch of people from our Discord go over there. I'll put a link. No KYC. You get a bunch of sign-on bonuses, mystery boxes to open. Pretty cool site. So I'll put a link for that over there. But all right, guys, thanks. I'll check back in here in a few days on this, and we'll see how it's going. Have a great day, everybody.